Раз, два, три. Hello, my dear friends. This is Oleg. Today we're making Forex forecast and Bitcoin prognosis. Please put pluses in our chat that everything, sound, picture are all right. And shall we begin? Okay, 1 second. Start with economic calendar. 1 second, I switch it in English. Okay, that's it. And let's consider what interesting events or technical models now on the market. Today Tuesday, so our calendar is quite empty. Just one important news with 3 signs of volatility. This is a CB consumer confidence of American US data. So for today I made some preview picture. I'll show you. That's it. This is an index of consumer confidence. If consumers are happier, they have money, they want to buy new products, so it's a quite big support for American economy. Now we see that data is better than a prediction, and the previous data is quite good. So it is a bullish sign, bullish signal for American dollar, but everybody know that the market can react 100% controversial, not as a prediction. So in 1 minute we'll see this reaction on the graph in a MetaTrader. Now just summary that American consumer confidence is better than a prediction. It's a bullish signal. But we must wait for technical signal, for a fusion of fundamental and technical signal to open new position, not only fundamental data. Why I tell you in this way? Because in America now there is no reason for strengthening American dollars because there is no improvements in epidemiological situation. I must mention that the tension in political sphere becomes more and more stronger, and no improvements in fundamental factors in the economy, in the United States economy. Yes, we saw reaction in last week that the big investors move their capital in safe assets. They they move their capital from euro, from British pound, because these assets are aggressive, and transfer them to the American dollars. But now there is no fundamental data for continuing strengthening of American dollar. This from the one side. From the other side, other assets, especially great pound, is not very reliable tool for big investors, because in the United Kingdom now we'll see the second wave of pandemic, coronavirus, and now the negotiations between Euro Union and United Kingdom are continuing, but it is a big question what's the results of these negotiations, because the position of Boris Johnson, the Prime Minister of United Kingdom, is quite violent. It's quite violent because of his idea to re-exchange, to input some changes in the agreement between United Kingdom and Euro Union. I think they must wait for the results of these negotiations. If they could reach the agreement, of course it's a big support for euro, for great pound. But if there is no results of these negotiations, if this Brexit was in a hard way, it's a big bear signal for selling great pound. It's a fundamental factors of today and this weekend. If you have some questions, my friends, please ask me. I'd like to answer you in our chat. Now I'm continuing to move to our technical analysis. One moment. Друзья, сейчас начинаем технический обзор, буду стрелочки рисовать, так что подключайтесь, там ничего сложного не будет. Пожалуйста, если не сложно, напишите, все ли хорошо с картинкой, со звуком, все ли проходит нормально. Буду очень признателен. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I asked some questions in our chat of Telegram, but everything is all right. Okay, let's move forward. The first active for today is the American index DXY. Where is it? We'll see that further. We'll see the current picture that American index became continued downward movement in this bearish channel. In our morning forecast, I draw this channel, and the question was what the reaction of the price near this level and this level. This is something like the corridor and the one moment, and The microphone is very close to me. Oh, yeah, that's it. So in the afternoon we'll see that the support line was breaking through, and now this is a signal for sell positions while the price within in this channel. Our targets will be on the next. We reached first of target, the second aim will be here, and the third aim will be here. So if the American index continue downward movement, we'll see the strengthening of euro, dollar, and great pound against dollar. For buy positions, it is necessary to form a reversal channel, something like this, and breaking down this pivot level. This is most strength level for today. It's 90.40. Oh, what's 94.35. If you'll see breaking through this level, it is opening us buy positions according to these targets. But while we are below this level, this is a bearish movement, and finishing the upward correction, the signal for us to open sell positions according to these levels. So the combat zone where we define and consider our trade positions will be at this zone, at this price. So if you'll see the reversal pattern 1 to 3 or zigzag near this level or this level, it is a signal for sell positions. Okay, I make a screenshot for our forecast and download it in our social media community Contacti. If you want to see our screenshots, please use this link. And I'm waiting you in our group. Thank you, Miroslav. Спасибо, Miroslav. Miroslav wrote that everything is alright with our picture and sound, so we can continue and move forward. The next active for us is a euro dollar. Euro dollar, in our morning forecast, we make a prediction that the main positions are bullish because of the balance line below the price. It will use it like a support line, and our all targets for today were reached. So now we can wait for some correction to open new buy positions. Our midterm target will be at this level, at this zone. It's about 1.8030. So now it is necessary to wait for some correction. Breaking through this this blue zone. This is a 15 level of margin, and if you'll see it, it opens us new buys for up to this level. The sell positions we can accord if the price breaking through the balance line, make retest, and after a test we can open sell positions up to this level, 1.6017. So this is a euro dollar prediction. I add it to our message. And the next one, is Japanese yen against American dollar. Today I open sell positions. From this level, and now because of breaking down this trend line, and this is the formatting, this resistance line. So now it is necessary to see the reaction of the price to this balance level. You will see the breaking through. It opens us the sell positions up to this level, and oh, sorry my friends, sorry. Okay, this one, the first target and the second one. So now it is necessary to wait the reaction of the price near this balance line. It could be the bullish signal if you'll see a 1, 2, 3 pattern from this level to the top. In this situation, we can arrange our buy trades up to 105.83 and up to the 106 figure. But if they'll see the breaking through this level, I wait in this situation. In the side, we are waiting for continuing downward movement up to these levels, 105.30 and 100.515. This is our plan for Japanese yen. And our last active is gold against American dollar. I also see that the balance line is below the price, so this is a support line for us, and here we can draw a support line and bullish corridor and trade to the north up to the further levels. The further levels will be here and here. But if the price could overwhelming this balance line, we can arrange the sell positions up to these two levels. So the combat zone is 1876. Here we are take our decision. So now I suppose that the price continue move forward to this level and even this level. So this is our forecast for the forex market, and now we'll see a Bitcoin forecast. One moment, my friend. I found it in the site, in the special site of Bitcoin. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Bitcoin against American dollar. So let's see this graph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Okay. Okay. What's interesting for us? Um, we'll have some important zone, some important levels. This is the support line, or resistance line, of course. Resistance line at this level, and the support trend line. Support trend line. So it's something like a triangle figure of Bitcoin. What targets we can use? Come on. This is the first target for sell position. If we'll see the breaking this trend line, Oh, okay, friends, I can use my special tool. This is a screenshot drawer. I think it's more simple. Here we are. This is the target for the buy positions. If we'll see that this triangle will be demolished this resistance line, yeah, will be demolished. We can arrange the buy positions on the retest of this level. Yeah, this one. But if we'll see that a trend line could not stand against a bearish movement, the sell positions will be on a target of 10,000. The next target will be here, and as for buy positions, the second target for buy position will be here. So now the question is, what is the most powerful line? The trend line is, oh no, this trend line, all this is there, or the resistance level. This this resistance level. So we are waiting the reaction of the price near these two levels. Sorry, my friends, because of no graphs of Bitcoin in my terminal, I try to fix it. Okay. To our next forecast. So now I add our last assets for today. It's a Bitcoin against American dollar. So my friends, if you want to see it, please use this link in our chat. I'm waiting you in our contact group. I see two messages from my friends. Oleg Kovalov wrote that 105.5 for yen looks like the line in the sand. Okay, let's check it. Yeah, this is a line of life or lifeline. Yeah, it's some terminology of Eric Nyman. Eric Nyman, famous American trader. This is quite powerful level for Japanese yen, and for continuing movement, downward movement, it is necessary to breaking down this level. If we couldn't do it, and breaking the resistance line, this resistance line, it open us buy positions. Something like in Bitcoin, but this triangle looks to the south. But I think it is necessary to wait for reaction of the price to this resistance line or this balance line. If we, yeah, that's it. Hello, Mark. I'm glad to see you. But now we are finishing our forecast for today. Oh, sorry. I'm wish you a good trades, my friends, and see you next time. Maybe tomorrow or a day after tomorrow. So goodbye.